Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Bommer 700. It's the advantage of selling hardware. Bommer 7004-045-603 anchor pivot, full surface, heavyweight, zinc color. So here's what this pivot is for. This is a commonly used item for steel doors and frames when the top hinge has degraded to the point where it no longer does the job that it's supposed to do, or you have some sort of a hanging problem of the door, or you need to straighten the door out. This reinforcing pivot, as I would call it, or the Bommer calls it an anchor pivot. That obviously must be correct. But I would also call it a reinforcing pivot. Is really a great item to use in those instances when you have trouble with the door no longer hanging in the frame correctly. This is a right-hand unit that is shown. This is the back side of it. Here's the front side. So if you were looking at a right-hand door, or more correctly called a left-hand reverse door, you would have this portion mounted to the header, this portion mounted to the face of the door. You would install this item by first taking the door and shimming it in the frame so that it's in the exact location that you want it to be in. You would then drill your holes for the head portion and the door portion and install it with the door shimmed. And then once this is securely installed, you would remove the shim from the door, and you would find that this is a great way to get a lot of additional service out of a door. This is obviously a Bommer item, made in America. Bommer is extremely proud of that, and they should be. It's a very good quality item. Includes sex bolts for the door. So this is the door leaf, the smaller leaf. And in this bag are flathead machine screws, which I'm not sure of the thread, but they're possibly just 1224, whatever, doesn't matter what the thread type is. You'll have 4 flathead machine screws that will go through these holes. The female part, the female part of the sex bolt would be drilled through the door from the inside, so you'd see these heads on the inside of the door. Then the header portion, you're going to have sufficient metal screws to install the header portion by drilling and tapping, or these large wood screws could also be used, but ideally this would be drilled and tapped. Of course, you've got your guys that are better with a welder than they are with a tap, and they'll choose to weld that to the door and frame. Not that that is a recommended installation from scratch, but it is one that you see more frequently than you might expect. So the 7004 is this. Again, this is a right-hand model shown. This is the header portion. This is the door portion. So this obviously has to swing out towards you like this. You're viewing it in the camera view as a left-hand reverse, obviously. The 045 would just be a relationship to the size. The 603 means that it's zinc coated. There is this is available obviously in both hands, left hand and right hand, and you have to select that at the time of ordering. In addition to that, there is a link to the cut sheet above this video, which shows a detailed drawing of the item and also some tips on install, really a graphic on installation. But it's fairly obvious. This pivot point, the axis of pivoting, needs to be in line with the hinges that are on the door and that are still functioning. If you have any questions on the Bommer 7004-045-603 anchor pivot, reinforcing pivot, or any other Bommer product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.